Shout out to the guys who actually read instructions.
I read instructions.
Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin Frenzy. Hey Spider-Man! We're gonna replace the storm door handle.
They broke that joint.
Okay, so the issue here is the handle just stays stuck. We need some scissors. I never know how I'm supposed to open these things. Kid scissors.
Boochika.
You're sunflower. I think your love would be too much. So we got our new pieces. Ooh, that feels like it's gonna work. Yeah, I know. Totally stripped it.
Yeah.
Okay, so he's gonna take out the bottom. Okay. Okay. Awesome. Well, guys. Right, come here. Okay, so Eli's gonna take that one out. Left the loosey. There we go. We're gonna try this.
She can't do it.
Well, thanks for having faith in me. One way or another, I need to get this handle out. I got a bunch of different things. Ow! Fuck! Oh, I injured myself. Oh, maybe I should try one of these. All right, fuck this. We're gonna break it. There you go. So this was together. I popped this top part out because this one was already, the screw was already off. And then I just, oh, here's the broken piece. Exercise, 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 exercise. Ooh, ooh. So my next step is to read what it says on here. Put this thing with the little spring in here. Then put it in the door and match this to the hole. Okay, let's do that. Started from the bottom, now we here.
Started from the bottom, now my whole team fucking here.
Eli is going to play with his friends. Okay, so match everything in the hole. This, we're gonna stick this part in the middle first because I am struggling to get these two in. And I'm just gonna push it real good.
Push it real good.
There, I got it in. So lining this thing up to the middle one. Okay, so here we are. Hi, that's Destiny.
I watch a YouTube channel.
And now she's gonna be in it. We get two of these matching sized screws. Stick them in here. Not gonna do it all the way yet. Only other issue is that I need this to stick out more, so I'm just gonna grab a piece of wood or something, or what can I use? What can I use? Maybe if I put all of these under there. Let's try it. All right, so we're gonna put these underneath because this one was bigger. Hold on, I need to close this real quick. That will work. All I did was added 2 layers to this. I took this silver out and added this and another plate which came with the new handle that I didn't actually, I mean, I guess I did need it. Let's see. We did it. This handle's a little different from the one I had before. This one, you just pull it. Ooh. Thank you guys for watching.
actually know what present means, guys.
You're gonna give me a present?
Not that kind of present.
I love web slinging.
Oops, I broke the sling. Just pretend. I have to put batteries. How do you press it? Are you serious, guys? Bye, guys.